How to create a group chat in Line. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in the Line app, which is perfect for keeping in touch with friends, family, classmates, or coworkers all in one place. Let's get started. First, open Line app on your phone. Now tap the Home tab at the bottom left of the screen. Right here, you can see Add Friends right here. Tap on it. Now you can see Create a Group right here. Tap on it. Now you will be asked to choose the friends you want to add to the group. Just scroll through your list, or you can also use the search bar right here and search by their name to find the specific people. Now let me just select from here like this. Once you select everyone, tap on next right here. Now once you tap on next, you can set your group profile. You can add pictures from this camera icon like this. Once you add it, tap on done. Okay, now you can set your group name. Tap on here and enter your group name. You can enter any group, like you can enter study group or family chat or weekend plans or more. Once you are done, you can tap on this create and your group will be created. You can also add more members by tapping on this add right here like this and add more members, and you can just send this invite right here. Tap on invite, and once you are done, tap on this create and your new group will be created. That's it. You can now send messages, photos, voice notes all in one place where everyone in the chat can stay connected. If you ever want to add or remove members later, just tap the group settings inside the chat. And that's it. That's how you create a group chat in Line. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thank you for watching.